Hi, everyone. Welcome to the My Needs Network homepage. Again, one of our principles with My Needs Network is we need that feedback from the community members, from the experts, who we call the experts in the field, the parents, the families, the social workers, case managers, and anyone else providing care or support to the special needs community. So any way we can build this site to better fit your needs, please communicate with us, contact us here, send me an email, message me within the app, however you'd like to work and get that message to me. Today, I want to focus on the homepage and give you a quick idea as to how to use this page to find what it is you're looking for. Of course, as you start scrolling down, there's the three general functions that you can use My Needs Network for and use all these tools for. Searching for resources, networking with your community, and also sharing resources and information with your community. All three are equally important and vital to this site staying afloat. We have a map function, and it works pretty well. What I like to use this for mostly is getting an idea of what resources are in certain sectors of a state or a region of the country. As you can see, we do not have many resources in here, and that's because I'm on the research side of things. I am not an expert in what resources are working and not working, but I rely on the community to provide me these resources as to what needs to be on this site. So again, please help me get some more resources on here. Just all you got to do is send me whatever you got in this share. It should take you a couple of seconds, and I'll get to that in another tutorial. But basically, so we can use this map to a degree and find, based on location. So let's say we were moving to Atlanta, we can get an idea of what is going on in Atlanta in terms of this website, in terms of what we have in the database right now, I should say. So, okay, let's say we're moving into North Decatur. We have 4 resources available. There's a couple hospitals, there's a rehab center, and looks like there might be 2, a children's healthcare and an Eagleston hospital. So it kind of gives you an idea of what's in your area or what's in the area that you're going to be moving into. Once we scroll down a little further, we have our categories of resources. This is what you'll hear me refer to a lot as our database. It's a database that's open to you all, and it's a database that it's highly encouraged that you contribute to and add to. Tell us what resources are working well for you, and we will get those added on there so other parents and families and social workers can find them. Also, for you social workers and case managers, we can take your list of resources that you're maybe using in an Excel sheet or wherever, and we can help you manage those for free within the My Needs Network tool. So let's say, for example, we are looking for a used wheelchair. We can browse through these categories to an area a category that best fits a used wheelchair. In this case, okay, supply and equipment and here's used. We click in here. And it looks like there are quite a few. Here's an emotions. Let's say I don't have time. Let's say I'm in the waiting room right now. I'm waiting for my child to be triaged. I will come back to this when I can. And right now it's essentially in my shopping cart. And I'm interested in this group too. They have pretty decent ratings, and they are kind of close to where I'm going to be next week. But let's say I do have a little bit, so we can easily like and kind of share and come back to them at a later date. You'll notice some of the resources that we have in here. You'll find the MyNeeds Network logo. That's, in this case, I don't have any here on this page, but you'll find some with the MyNeeds Network logo. That's only because we weren't able to import that logo over. So just disregard. We just need to add that logo in. But let's take a look at this TC Medical Supply. Pretty standard, just like a lot of other databases in here. After reading through this, okay, these hours work. They do sell some used equipment. They had 1 star, but that's all right. And we have an idea as far as where they are. There's a map function. We can share this page through various social media outlets. We can add a review, and we can also edit. Let's say this TC is kind of spelled out now, Thomas Charles Medical Supply, whatever it is. I need to know that. Again, I'm not the expert. I don't know that the name's changed. Please let me know. I don't even need your name and phone number and email. I just need to know why you're reporting this page and and just letting us know that it needs to be updated or that it maybe needs to be removed. So just communicate with me here on things like that. Let's say TC Medical Supply, we're interested in them. We want to see if they have any used wheelchairs. It's pretty straightforward. We can call them, or we can just go and message them. If you're ever sending a message through MyNeeds Network and it's been more than a day and you haven't heard anything, let me know. Let me know, and I can kind of look into it on the back end and find out if there was something that happened with that message, or if we need to get an updated email address for a certain company or provider, and I can work with you on that one-on-one. In this case, we start a chat. Hi, I am interested in your used inventory. And that's all I need to say. So I'm going to send that. My message has been sent. I click OK. Oh, hold on. It's coming back. And so now what happened is the system brings me into my dashboard. This is, and I'll go through this in a separate tutorial, but the dashboard is where all of your activity, your messages, your posts, anything that you do in MyNeeds Network, that's where you end up kind of tracking and keeping everything organized. As you can see, I created this admin account and did not add some additional information. I was still able to add it, but I just didn't have time to do it. Haven't had time to do it yet, but at least I can get in here and track and see what's going on. So hopefully TC Medical Supply emails me back. They let me know what their wheelchair inventory looks like, and I get that I can track that conversation. And then I kind of don't want to get into this too far just yet because I want to save it for another. And here's some of those favorites that I added earlier. But I'll kind of get into this in another recording. But I wanted to take a few minutes and give you all an idea as far as what we can do on this homepage. It needs to be easy and very user-friendly for you. And if it's not, please let me know. And ideally, let me know what needs to take place so I can help make those changes. You can always contact me, message me through the site, and yeah, try to play around with the site, try to break it, and best of luck in your search. Thank you.